Okay guys, welcome back. Miss Karina here with another DIY. So I actually saw this DIY on TikTok and it's making the shirt that has a picture on it. So basically you're gonna need two ingredients or two materials. You're gonna need a plancha, and we're gonna go ahead and turn on our plancha, which is called an iron. Oh, my picture. So the first thing, let me finish going through the materials. Then you're gonna need some plastic wrap and some wax paper. So what you wanna do first is you wanna, also you need a picture. So I have this picture, let me show you guys. It's basically just a cutout of my dog. I printed it out with my printer. Just get this nice big chunk. So this part can be a little tricky just because it pretty much sticks to itself and is just a little hard to deal with. Then you're gonna go ahead and cut it. So what you want to do, the key here is to have your plastic wrap as flat as possible, because if you have a lot of air bubbles, your picture is just gonna come out with a lot of air bubbles. So try to get it, like, stretch it out as much as you can so that it's like good. So then you're gonna, this wind. So then you're gonna put your picture, you want to wrap your whole picture. So then after you've wrapped your picture up, you're gonna go ahead and place it wherever it is you want on your shirt. I have my shirt already flat right here. You'll set it down. And then this is where your plastic wrap is gonna come in. Oh, my picture's flying away. Okay. There you go. So your plastic wrap is so that you don't burn your shirt or burn your design. So then you're gonna go ahead, select a location. I'm gonna put it in like the upper, no, put it on this side. On this side, make sure your shirt is flat. Okay. It's a little hot. Okay. So then you're gonna go ahead and put your iron and just kind of massage it on there. Obviously, if you use a picture that's like just a square, it's gonna be a lot easier to wrap. But since I'm using a more complicated image, it's gonna be a little bit more trickier. And guys, be careful when you're using the iron. It can get really hot. I don't want you guys to burn yourselves. That would not be good. So just kind of move this around. Make sure it's nice and glued down. You'll start to feel it sticking to the shirt. I'm gonna let it kind of cool off a bit, that way it's easier to peel off. We're gonna start to slowly peel this off. Okay guys, I am back with my newly made t-shirt. So the design is a little like too to the armpit, but you know what? It's all part of trial and error. I mean, I think overall it looks pretty good. The one thing, I mean, I would pass this TikTok. I think that TikTok works. The one thing I will tell you guys though is it feels like hard, like stiff. But I mean, overall it still looks pretty cute. I mean, I would wear this shirt like to the gym and stuff. If you guys want to see more DIY tutorials, stay tuned every Thursday for a new video on something, on a craft. If you guys have any ideas for crafts, let me know, comment down below, DM us, let us know. So we'll talk to you guys real soon.